What's up guys, Z here, and today we're going to be showing you... Oh! What are you guys doing over there? Oh, I thought the camera was over there! Got it. What's up guys, Z here, and today we're going to be showing you how to wash your engine bay real good without using any type of hose or without going to the car wash. So it's pretty simple, you can do it at your place. So I would recommend you to stick around to see what's gonna happen. All you need is just some water and a bucket and your cleaning equipment. That's pretty much it. So if you guys want to see what's gonna happen, stick around please. Alright guys, so first thing you need is open your closet here, whatever you're keeping your equipments, and I'll use Chemical Guy's All Clean Purpose. You can use soapy water or soap and water, whatever, but I'll just use this. So that's the first thing. If you have a blower, that would be great. If you don't, that's okay. I'll bring this one with me. And you need like a brush or something like similar to it, just like really soft. I have this also, like a glove, but it's really soft, bristles. I bought it from Amazon. I'll put it in the link. I'll put it in the description below. You can also use this, wait, the other way around. You can also use this like to clean the wheels. So it's really helpful. I use it a lot. Okay, so third off, you need something to shine off the engine bay area. So just to give it a little shine. I use VRT from Atom Polishes. I don't know if you can go to AutoZone and get something to shine. That's okay. That's okay as well. This is the applicator for the shining thing. It's called the VRT. And of course you need a lot of towels. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 should be enough. But that's pretty much it. That's all you need. Oh, one more thing. Get a bucket and just fill it up with some water. Not all the way, just a little bit of water. That should do it. Alright guys, so this is my engine bay, and some of you might say it's not that dirty, but it is actually pretty dirty. It has a layer of dust. Let me show you. See that? It is dirty. I have these parts right here. These parts I cannot put any all-purpose cleaner or anything like that. They're made out of anodized color, whatever that is. But I cannot get any all-purpose cleaner on them. And also the nitrous, I'll be covering that too. And also I have some wires in the back here. I cannot get water on that too. And of course the fuse box. This is not the battery, but if you have a battery, definitely you want to cover the battery if it's in the front. So also the air intake, the filter is all the way down, so it wouldn't be an issue. So let's go ahead and get to the first step. Okay, first step is very helpful, but you don't have to do it. If you do not have it, it's okay. Which is getting the blower. I wish it had like a lower setting, but only had one setting and it's pretty high, so I'll go ahead and blow up the dust some a little bit. Alright guys, so next step is covering up the parts that you don't want to get wet. I have some towels here, just grab it and put it on top here. I'll put one on the nitrous too. Where else? Honestly, that should be fine, but I'll just go ahead and do this here. That's it. That should be okay. I have a small filter here, but I'm not gonna put a lot of water in that, so it should be fine. If you have way more dirt than this, you definitely might want to actually spray down with the water hose, but on like a really low setting. You don't want to get any water like in the electrical or anything like that. Alright guys, so next step is bringing the water, and just grab some in your hands and sprinkle them around. Alright guys, so next step, you get your all-purpose cleaner or the soapy water. And just spray a little bit on the engine. Alright, so that should be good. Alright guys, so after you put in the all-purpose cleaner or the soapy water, just let it sit for 30 seconds, and just get your brush or your glove, either the brush or a glove. Make sure it's soft. I'll be using the brush. Put it in a little bit of water. Okay, it's wet, so go ahead and brush it. Put it in put it in a little bit of more water. This part here is fine because it's plastic. If you have any stickers, make sure they don't go away. You don't scratch them off. Okay, we'll go ahead and put this brush in the water so we can rinse it out. There you go, guys. You can see all this dirt here in the water. It's actually really dirty right now. So there was a lot of dirt in the car, but sometimes you cannot see it. So alright guys, next step, so just go ahead and dry off the car. Well, not the car, just dry off the engine. You can take off all the towels that you had on. There you go. So yeah, go ahead and dry it off. I also forgot to clean this part right here. This part right here. So make sure to clean that off too. Alright guys, if you still have the blower, just go ahead and blow it just a little bit, just to dry off any water or any dirt that got loose during this process. Just flies away or goes like underneath. If you don't have a blower, that's okay, just skip this step. So let's go ahead and see the last step. Alright guys, so check it out. It looks way better than before. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but it definitely does to me, and I'm happy. Last step will be getting the VRT or any applicator that makes it shiny. Just go to AutoZone or go to Atom Polishes. Don't forget the applicator. And I like to always write my first letter of my name, which is Z. Stands for Ziad. Anyway, put this on the side. Squeeze it in and out. Alright, and just apply it. Alright guys, check it out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's sparkling. You guys might not see it that good in camera, but there's a lot of difference because there was the dirt and it looked a little bit of grayish in here, but now it looks like really sparkling black. Obviously, if you guys have like your car, your engine bay way more dirtier than this, obviously this method will not work out. You need to apply way more water pressure just to get that dirt out. Also, blower would be really helpful just to get all the dirt out first before you spray water. But always make sure if you have a fuse box or your battery on the front, make sure you cover it. I'm guessing that would be the most important thing. Every other thing else is just extra from me. But yeah, also if you have an open air intake, if it's right here, make sure you cover that also. Some of the wires here, if it's exposed, should also be covered. None of these exposed. I have here one that was exposed. This one, make sure it's covered. But that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Should take you about like literally 10 minutes. There you go guys, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Anyone can do it. You can do it anywhere. And that's pretty much it. Shouldn't take you more than 20 minutes. Thank you so much guys for watching. and